This is the Maybank QRPay Soundbox. Yeah, so you can get voice alert for payments, protect from scammers, and it got 3 language: BM, English, and Chinese. So what's inside the box? The device itself, the user guide, and the Type-C charging cable. And inside this, there's a manual telling us how to use it in English and Bahasa. It's actually made in China, Beijing, with easy technology. Okay, that's a stand, and there is a cable, and this is another user guide. This is the device itself, and there's a sticker. So in this guide, this will tell you how to activate your QRPay Soundbox. Yeah, you will need to make sure you get this QRPay Biz app. All right. Then after that, there's a guide for you to know how to connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah, let's do it now. I'll teach you guys how to connect to Wi-Fi using this box here, right? So first off, once you have this, you can on it. Yeah, on the left side, on top, there's a power button. Just on it. Okay, click longer. Okay, it's on. So once it's
Welcome
on,
to Maybank QRPay Soundbox.
yeah, this is how loud is it. So there is a
Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait.
okay, there's a minus and plus here, which is the volume.
Minimal volume.
Okay, this is the minimum. It's pretty loud. So I've already connected to my Wi-Fi. So I'm going to
Server connection successful.
yeah. So I'm going to try and do it again. Yeah. So you can see how I can do it. So first off, you press the plus longer. Okay.
Mobile network mode.
Mobile network. No. Mobile networks means you put in SIM card. Got another round.
Wi-Fi mode.
Wi-Fi mode. Yeah. So once you have press Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait.
then you can click here, the 3 buttons here. Then I go.
Hotspot configure mode.
So from here, you can open your Wi-Fi. Make sure you go to this QS3D. Yep. And once you are connected like this, then you go to Chrome. You type 192.168.1.1. Okay, then go. Then it will show you the number of Wi-Fi you can discover. So I just choose mine and put in the password. Yeah. So I have put in my password and configuration completed, and ask me to wait for a while.
Server connection successful.
So it's now connected to my Wi-Fi. The next thing I need to do is to connect to my QRPay Biz. Yeah. So I already have a QRPay Biz here. Yeah. But the thing is, I need to call to activate it. So I'm going to do it tomorrow. It's now at night. I can't do anything now. You can also charge it. Yeah. It's using any USB-C.
Battery charging.
See that? Once you put it in, it tells you that it's charging. And of course, when you off it, you can still charge it. Okay, let's off it.
Thank you.
Okay, it's still charging. You can see that it's in red, right? So if you take it out, there's no light at all. Put it in, it's charging. So I've already contacted the number, and I need to WhatsApp them my ID. Then after that, fill up the form given by them on WhatsApp as well. Then after that, yeah, that's basically it. I just on the device, then my ID is there already. Yeah, so let me just try on this. So
Selamat datang ke Maybank QRPay Soundbox.
I mean,
Wi-Fi sedang disambungkan. Sila tunggu.
this is on and it's connecting to the Wi-Fi,
Sambungan pelayan berjaya.
and it says it's successfully connected to the internet. I chose Bahasa, yeah, during the activation, so that you can choose other languages like Chinese as well as English, but I chose Bahasa. And behind here, as you can see, there's one place for keyboard and one place for charge. So I just tap the side with keyboard so that it's easier to identify where to charge. I very often I mistook this place for charging. This is a good way to just avoid the mistake again. So there you go. So to off it is pretty simple.
Tiada transaksi direkodkan.
Yeah, sorry. So over here, you can actually click these three dots to know what's the previous transaction. So
Tiada transaksi direkodkan.
so what it says is that there's no transaction before this, and over on top here in this power, when you click again,
Status isyarat rangkaian. Lemah, bateri mencapai 100%.
so it says my network connection is weak, but it's still connected, and the battery level is 100%. So yeah, so basically this is the status, this is the previous transaction, and this is of course the volumes. Yeah, so actually it's pretty loud, yeah, and it's always on. So I think, I'm not sure how long will it last, maybe a day, then or 2 days, then you will need to charge it again. So pretty simple. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. So let's off this. Press.
Terima kasih.
Yeah. The new place that I bring to, we need to reconfigure the Wi-Fi again. Yeah. So okay, thank you. Bye.